welcome to Rev Sports. I'm Gargi Raut and I'm here in front of the Old Trafford Stadium in Manchester, where Shubman Gill and KL Rahul, with their partnership, have opened up the possibility for a draw. In a match where it looked like everything had been taken away from India, injuries after injury, Rishabh Pant, Akashdeep, Mohammad Siraj, Jasprit Bumrah, twisting their ankles in the middle of the game, there was a bit of a concern, but then after everything could possibly go wrong, and of course, who can forget those two back-to-back consecutive wickets in India's batting session? Yashasvi Jaiswal, Sai Sudarshan nicking it to the slips, two consecutive deliveries, but then walks in the captain Shubman Gill. And since then, it's been an onslaught from the Indian batters, the skipper leading from the front, and of course the ever composed, the ever calm KL Rahul. Now, when we talk about weather throughout this series, or throughout this match especially, weather gods have not favoured India. When in the first innings, India went out to bowl on the field, suddenly the sun was out and it remained that way for the entire duration that India bowled. And then when India came into bat, overcast conditions, rain in the morning, heavy air. But this time around, it might change for India. Today, there is rain prediction. It starts from 6 in the morning, 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. There is a 70% chance of precipitation. From 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. there is a 60% chance of precipitation. And finally, from 2 p.m., not 1 a.m., 1 p.m. and from 2 p.m. to finally 3 p.m. there is a 50% chance of precipitation. What does that mean? Now if this rain happens, and there is a good chance, 60, 70, 50% chances of precipitation, if this rain happens, that could mean a session washing out. And after that, you have a KL Rahul, you have a Shubman Gill who are steadfast in their innings. They are settled there. They will have to start from scratch again, but they have the mettle, they have shown it, they have proved that they can fight back, they have the grit. They will have to face the second new ball as well, but again, they will give you that potential that maybe they can take the game to a draw. And then of course, you have the madman, Rishabh Pant, sitting in that dugout as well. Sitanshu Kotak in that press conference yesterday has confirmed that Rishabh Pant will play. A little bit of an insider news, it was told to us by sources that Rishabh Pant refused to wear his cast 2 days ago. He said that he wants to be open to the possibility of batting on the 27th and he will not wear his cast until the match is finished. So, you've got a determined team India right now, opening up a possibility of a draw. Will they head to it? Will they be able to clinch a draw at this point? It is something we will have to wait and watch, but let the weather gods favour India.